French Drain Man here. I just want to clear a few things up. I've been going out on appointments. 1 out of 3 appointments has a failed French drain system. I've been out on 2 appointments recently where the systems were less than a year old. They weren't French drains. People are telling homeowners that they're going to install a French drain, but they're not French drains. I bought this double inlet basin just for this video. I don't own one because I don't need one when I'm building a French drain. When you dig a channel out for stone for a French drain, you fill it full of stone. If you got to put surface drains, if you need to buy parts like this, grates like this, and bring them to the surface, and you know what they tell the homeowners? Oh, this is going to be a great place for you to clean the pipe out from. Or this is also serving as an inlet pipe. Well, now they're just admitting they're not building you a French drain. An inlet pipe for air? Are you kidding me? A vent pipe? In a French drain? If the French drain takes in the water, believe me, you don't need a vent pipe. Then, instead of hauling all the dirt away and filling this trench full of stone, what do? They put some pea stone at the bottom, and then they put the dirt back in. So they can avoid the cost of haul out and the cost of the additional stone it would take to fill this channel. Now, if they do have a perforated pipe, water will make it to that perforated pipe until it plugs. Even if they put fabric around the pipe, or by the pipe with fabric around the pipe, a sock or a sleeve as we call it, this will fail. What happens is, as long as there's air pockets here in the soil, the water will make it down here to this perforated pipe. Once this becomes compacted, which does not take long. Once the soil is compacted, you're no longer going to get water to that perforated pipe. You can get the surface water from these basins they're putting in, this inline basin system. This is some sort of surface water drainage system. This isn't a French drain system that they're selling you. It does not lower the water table. It'll catch the surface water, but it's not going to lower the water table, so it's going to be squishy. And people are saying, why is it so squishy back here? I paid for a French drain. Why is it so soft back here? I'm mowing the grass and the kids are playing and it's all squishy. Well, because this is only going to catch the surface water. That's it. If somebody comes to your house to sell you a French drain and they bring up an inline basin, some sort of grate that comes to the surface to catch the surface water, get them off your property. Get them off your property and out of your life before they ruin the budget for a real French drain. When shopping for a true French drain, and you want it done right the first time, give us a call.